I've gotten really good at doing nothing. I need to always be working on something because I'm scared of the opposite. April was busy. I flew to Las Vegas for a camera trade show. I won a 360 camera, which is sick. After only a few days back, I flew to the UK for vacation. If I'm not making something, I feel like I'm falling behind, so I challenged myself. Document my entire trip with the camera I won, my trusty drone, and this little guy. We drove to London, Liverpool, York, Edinburgh, and we flew to Amsterdam. I'm gonna try something. It was a lot. After 2 weeks of filming and eating everything I could see, I came back and I've been staring at the footage ever since. A month away turned into 2, and I still have nothing to show for it. The first thing to do to snap out of a rut like this is I get ready for nothing. What year is it? Even if I don't have a plan, I start my day as if I have one. What a wreck. Just to trick my brain to be productive. Even though I'm getting ready for nothing, I'm at least ready for anything. Plus, the best ideas happen in the shower.
Hold me now, I'm 6 feet.
Now here is the real trick. The opposite of nothing is too much, otherwise known as the internet. If we never stop eating, we'll never be hungry. So instead, do something that leaves you room to think. Going somewhere familiar is great. New places are even better. Which is why I love to travel. Creativity starts with nothing. It's a tank that you need to fill. I've never found anything better to fill it than travel. Amazing places with deep history, different cultures for a fresh perspective. Doing nothing isn't nothing. It's time we need to sort through our thoughts. Let those great ideas bubble up to the surface. That's why we have those great ideas in the shower. Instead of focusing on what travel does for me, I stressed myself out because I had nothing to show for the month of April, when nothing is exactly what I needed. In music, we learn that the silence between the notes you play are just as important, and life has that same rhythm. The key is you need to know what you want to do with those quiet parts. If you want to make something, get good at nothing.
What do you do? Pretend you're like looking at
Yeah,
stuff?
just like stand there. No, like a normal person. Like a normal person.
Okay.
What's with your face?
I'm not normal.
Oh, okay. Yep. Is this our trip?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Okay. Glad you're having fun.
Really shaking that camera there.